Scout! Scout! Where'd you go, baby?
Mommy, I want to push the button for you.
In a minute. Ready? Ready? Go get it. Good boy. Bring it. Bring it. Oh, he wants to bring it to one of you guys.
Go, you're so funny. Go.
You gotta wait until he sees you throw it, otherwise he doesn't know. You want to help paint, Scout? Hi, baby! He just wants to snuggle it, I think. Scout! Scout! Who's a baby? Who's a baby?
He's a baby. Wait, Mom. He's a baby. Cute. Who's a baby?
Oh, what a love. What a love.
Do I get the love, Scout? No, I don't. Yeah, I get love. Scout, my dog.
Hello. Come here. Where are you? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? He is going to go to his little boy soon. He has a little boy named Andrew that's going to be his person. Isn't that awesome? I'm sure he is going to love Andrew. They're going to have so much fun together.
Oh, Miss Scout.
Well, maybe they'll send us pictures sometimes. Wouldn't that be fun? Who knows, maybe.
Do you know their phone number?
Yeah, I know their phone number.
So call them today and say, if you guys want to come over with Scout, just bring Scout because my girls go missing.
Okay, I'll let him know. They're going to take such good care of them. He's going to be so happy.
Okay, Butchie, Butchie.
Butchie, Butchie, Butchie. What does that mean? You ready? Ready? Go get it. Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Where'd it go? You have to wait until he says,
Wait,
Butchie,
okay.
Mom. Good, Mom. Can I?
Come get it.
Go get it.
Just let him go. Let him go. You can't say go get it and then hold him because that's confusing.
I want to hold the camera.
You know, the battery is about dead. So I think we're going to end this video. Let's see if he'll do something else super cute before we stop it. Oh, snuggle with your bear. Is that a bear or a moose? That's the moose.
Yeah.
Eat the moose. Eat the moose.
Mommy,